Hello foodies, today let's cook fish menudo. First, I have this white hammer fillet cut into cubes. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, some cracked pepper, and juice of half a lemon. Mix it well and marinate for 30 minutes. Next, we heat some oil in a pot and then we saute garlic and onion. Next, we add the fish. And then we add diced carrots and potatoes. And some 350 grams of tomato sauce. Next, we add a can of green peas. And then we cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we add strips of bell pepper. Season it with some salt and pepper. And then we cover it again and cook for a few minutes more. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. And please follow us on our socials. Thank you so much. Bye.